Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more financial comparisons. Choosing between financial giants JPMorgan Chase and Truist Financial requires careful consideration of your individual or business needs. Let's delve into the strengths of each institution to help you make an informed decision. JPMorgan Chase, a banking behemoth, boasts a vast network of branches and ATMs nationwide, providing convenient access for customers across the country. Their comprehensive suite of financial products spans from basic checking and savings accounts to sophisticated investment options and wealth management services. This all-in-one approach makes Chase a compelling choice for those seeking a single institution to manage all their financial affairs. Furthermore, Chase is renowned for its extensive credit card offerings, particularly its travel and rewards programs, making it a popular option for frequent travelers and business professionals. Their robust business banking solutions also cater specifically to the needs of entrepreneurs and established companies. The user-friendly digital banking platform further enhances convenience and accessibility. Truist Financial, born from the merger of BB&T and SunTrust, holds a strong regional presence, primarily serving the southeastern and mid-Atlantic states. Truist emphasizes a community-focused approach to banking, providing personalized services and actively engaging in local initiatives. Their concentration on personal and small business banking, mortgages, and various lending products reflects this localized strategy. Truist frequently offers incentives like waived monthly fees on checking and savings accounts, and their personal loans, credit cards, and mortgages remain competitive within the market. For customers who value personalized attention and a strong sense of community connection, Truist presents a compelling alternative. While their digital platform continues to evolve and improve, initiatives like Truist One Checking demonstrate a commitment to simplifying everyday banking tasks for their customers. When evaluating fees and rates, both banks offer opportunities to minimize or eliminate charges, often by maintaining minimum balances or utilizing specific services. Customer service experiences can vary based on branch location and individual interactions, but both institutions aim to provide consistent and reliable support. In summary, if you prioritize a national presence, premium credit card options, robust business banking tools, and advanced wealth management services, JPMorgan Chase is likely the better fit. However, if a regional focus, strong community ties, accessible lending options, and a more streamlined approach to daily banking transactions are more aligned with your needs, Truist Financial may be the ideal choice. Ultimately, the best bank for you depends on your individual financial priorities and long-term objectives. Analyze your needs and choose the institution whose strengths best complement your financial journey.